Welcome back to another Pine hosting tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to change your Palworld server difficulty. It is actually very simple to change your difficulty when using Pine hosting. But before we show you how to do that, it is very important that before we make any changes that we need to stop the server. So to do that, you're gonna click on the stop button on the right corner of your server. Stopping the server is actually very important because if the server is online, any changes we make to the config won't actually be applied. Now that the server is offline, the next step is to actually head into the server config tab. Here you will see a bunch of settings, which can be a little bit difficult sometimes to find what you want, but luckily for us, difficulty is the first actual setting you will see in this entire panel. So you can go in directly and edit this. Palworld has 4 different types of difficulties: casual, normal, hard, and hardcore. We're gonna go for normal for this video. Now that we have made our changes, finally what we need to do is click on the save button on the top corner. Now we're able to head back into the console tab here and start our server to apply the changes. And just like that, our server is now up and running with normal difficulty. If you want to ensure that the changes you made are actually applied in the config, what you can do is go back into the server config here and check if the setting you edited previously has went back to default or the changes have actually stayed. As for example, you can see here difficulty has stayed to normal. That means that the changes we applied have actually worked and are applied server-side. If you require any further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always happy to help.